name is Myles Elliott. I'm from Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm the drummer for a band called Motel Faces. I've been playing drums for roughly about 22 years. I primarily play gospel, rock, alternative rock, pop, and Latin. I appreciate Collision for sending me some drumsticks. These sticks are amazing. They sent me the 5 ARs, which are the 5A Reach sticks. They're well balanced. They're good to go for anything that I may need. So thank you guys so much for this. These are absolutely amazing. Thanks. Peace.